If you were to design an alien life form from scratch, you would design an octopus. 3 hearts, blue blood, skin that sees light, a creature that can pour its entire body through a hole the size of a coin. We spend billions scanning the stars for signs of intelligence, but we forgot to look in our own oceans. Because the octopus isn't just an animal. It's an evolutionary anomaly, a distinct lineage that split from us so long ago, it is the closest we will ever come to meeting an alien intelligence. To understand them, we have to go back 600 million years, back when your ancestors were blind worms, living in the mud. This is the moment the tree of life split in two. One branch led to us, vertebrates, bones, spines. The other branch led to them. But then, the octopus did something insane. While the rest of the ocean was evolving thicker armor and sharper teeth, the octopus got naked. It abandoned its shell. It traded protection for pure possibility. It was evolution's biggest gamble. Survival without a shell required a total biological rewrite. Let's start with the hardware. Our blood is red because it uses iron. Theirs is blue because it uses copper. It's heavy, thick, and inefficient, unless you live in the freezing, low-oxygen dark. To move that sludge, they evolved not 1, but 3 hearts, 2 just to power the gills, 1 to power the body. If a human had this plumbing, we'd be a medical crisis. For an octopus, it's just biology. But if you're soft, squishy, and full of protein, everything wants to eat you. So, you don't just hide, you disappear. This isn't like a chameleon changing color slowly. This is biological HD television. Their skin is a screen of millions of pixel sacs called chromatophores. They can change color, pattern, and even texture in milliseconds. It is the most sophisticated camouflage system on Earth. And here is the scary part. They don't just match the colors they see. Their skin contains the same light-sensitive proteins as eyes. The octopus doesn't just see the world. The octopus is an eye. But the weirdest thing about an octopus isn't its skin, it's where it keeps its mind. In humans, the brain is a CEO. It sits in the penthouse and shouts orders. In an octopus, the brain is a collective. 2/3 of their neurons are not in the head, they are in the arms. If you sever an octopus arm, which you shouldn't, it will still crawl, hunt, and try to pass food to a mouth that isn't there. The arm remembers. The arm thinks. This is distributed intelligence. It's not one mind. It's a coalition, an alien operating system, solving problems we can barely comprehend. So, if they are so smart, why don't they rule the world? Why aren't there underwater cities? Because of a tragic evolutionary flaw. They live fast and die young. Most live only 1 or 2 years. They are geniuses born with a ticking clock. They never meet their parents. They never teach their children. Human intelligence is cumulative. We stand on the shoulders of giants. The octopus stands alone. We look to the sky for aliens, but maybe we should be looking down. Because down there, in the dark, something is